Hello, welcome to Easy and Quick Learning. Today we're going to learn school vocabulary. Chair. This is a chair. Blackboard. This is a blackboard. Chalk. This is a chalk. Marker. This is a marker. Duster or eraser. This is a duster. Book. This is a book. Pen. This is a pen. Pencil. This is a pencil. School bag. This is a school bag. Ruler. We also say it as scale. Ruler. Sharpener. This is a sharpener. Crayons. These are crayons. Map. This is a map. Chart. This is a chart. Clock. This is a clock. Dustbin. We throw the waste in the dustbin. Door. This is the door of the classroom. Window. This is a window. Whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Desk. This is a desk. Table. This is a table. Color pencils. These are color pencils. Globe. This is a globe. Dictionary. You can learn new words and find their meanings in a dictionary. Textbook. This is a maths textbook. File. This is a file. Folder. This is a folder. Paper. You write on a paper. Stapler. This is a stapler. Tape. This is a tape. Highlighter. Highlighter is used to highlight. Highlighter. Teacher. She is a teacher. Student. Student. Class teacher. Class teacher. Class leader. Class leader. Principal. Principal. Classmate. Classmate. Librarian. Librarian. Invigilator. Invigilator. Peon. Peon. Clerk. Clerk. Cupboard. Cupboard. Corridor. Corridor. Hall. Hall. Laboratory. Laboratory. Computer lab. Computer lab. Staff room. Staff room. Playground. Playground. Notice board. Notice board. Subscribe to Easy and Quick Learning. Bye.